Hello and Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to this series of Ali Raja Garden 2020 Part 2. I am your host Akibullah.
I am Ali Raja. Assalamu Alaikum. In this video, we'll be showing you how to keep your chili plant healthy.
We will be showing you how to use Epsom salt on your chili plants to keep it healthy and to keep it away from diseases. And we will be showing you how to get lots of chilies from your plant. Let's get into it.
There are 5 benefits using Epsom salt on your chili plant.
The first benefit is seed germination.
Seed germination, when you soak your seeds into Epsom salt, it helps your seed germinate faster.
The second benefit is Foliage greenery.
Now, you may have noticed on your chili plant, sometimes the leaves are getting yellowish, the veins are getting yellowish. It actually enhances the green color on your chili plant.
The third benefit is leaf curling.
Now, you may have noticed on your chili leaves, the leaves gets curly. If you spray Epsom salt onto the chili plant, it actually protect your chili plant against leaf curling.
The fourth benefit is transplant shock.
Transplant shock is when you're transplanting your chilies from a smaller container to a larger container. It actually goes through a shock. And if you use Epsom salt on your chili plant, it actually regains that shock quickly, recovers from very quickly.
And the fifth benefit is to make your plant grow faster and keep it away from diseases.
1 teaspoon of Epsom salt onto 1 liter of water, or 2 tablespoons into 1 gallon of water. And we're going to spray this magnesium sulfate onto the leaves of the chili plant.
Hopefully this helps stop the leaves curling and stops them turning yellow. We just added the magnesium sulfate to the sprayer bottle so we can spray all around the chili plant, even on the soil. So make sure you spray it properly as well. This chili plant is from last season. You won't think it's from last season. It looks beautiful. Our chili plants are already flowering in the middle of February. This is so cool and they look beautiful with the water on it. I can't wait to see how many chilies I get.
And hopefully we will have plenty of chilies this year.
Last season we overwintered these chili plants and we made a video about it. So we'll put the video link in the description down below. So please don't forget to check that out because you'll get lots of value from that video.
Last year we had over 1,000 chili from this plant, and I'm hoping to get more chilies out of this plant this season. And I'm so happy that the chili plant revived. So if you haven't watched the video we made how to overwinter naga chili plant, please watch that video.
It's so satisfying seeing my naga plants already come out in the middle of February. I'm so glad I saved them from last season.
Magnesium sulfur can be used in any plant, your tomato plant, cucumber plant, your hodu plant. And if the leaves are turning yellow or the leaves are curly, just mix some Epsom salt onto the water, usually 1 teaspoon into 1 liter of water. Or if you're using a gallon of water, use 2 tablespoons and dilute it and spray onto the plant. Spray it properly. You can also add some water onto the base of your pot, and hopefully it will stop the leaves turning yellow and the leaves curling.
If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to like and comment. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notifications because you'll be notified every time I upload. See you in the next one.
Happy gardening and Assalamu Alaikum.